In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Black Myth Wukong on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and acquire Black Myth Wukong for the PlayStation 5. You will notice that I am doing this process on the PlayStation Store on their website, but you can also open the PlayStation Store directly on the console. Regardless of which option you pick, all that you have to do is use the search function and look for Black Myth Wukong. You will be able to find the game on the list of results. It should be listed under the top results, and all that you have to do now is select it. So you will be able to acquire Black Myth Wukong for the PlayStation 5 for $59.99. As you can see, currently it is only a single player experience, so there is no mention of multiplayer, co-op, and so on. Offline play is enabled, they have remote play, and you will be able to browse through the screenshots here. Because this game is regarded very well at the moment, it has a lot of reviews. They have a customized page with a lot of lore, a lot of descriptions, key features, and so on. And all that you have to do is go ahead and add the item to your cart. If you are doing this process directly on the PlayStation Store, you might be familiar of how it looks, so you will be able to proceed to the payment method screen where you can choose from any of the available payment methods on your PlayStation account. You will be able to acquire the game and get this process completed. You will be able to repeat this for any other titles available, and you will be able to download and play Black Myth Wukong on your PlayStation 5. It seems that currently the game is only available for the PlayStation 5, and I believe this isn't going to change for the future because the game has a lot of high definition graphics and it is very modern. It is possible that it is going to be exclusive to next gen consoles, so PlayStation 5 and not going over to PlayStation 4. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Black Myth Wukong on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.